Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. And today I'll be teaching you on how to remove watermark in your video using Filmora. So first, we have to do the cropping methods. For example, this one is your video. So all you have to do is right-click this one and click on crop and zoom. So in this method, basically, you just have to crop your video and do not include the watermark of your video. So just like this one. So let's move on to this side. As you can see, the words are no longer there. So assuming that this is your video, so as you can see, I have now a clean copy of this. So for our second method is we have to use the effects using the Filmora. So assuming that this is our watermark right here at the top right hand corner of your screen, and we want to erase that without cropping the video. So assuming that this is the watermark right here, so just click on the effects and you have to search for the mosaic effects and drag this one right here, and then you just have to adjust the size of this and then drag this one to the watermark, and you can adjust the blur amount of this effects. Okay, so that's the two methods that you can do in order to remove the watermark using Filmora. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.